Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix mismatch issue in the basically VNC connection of the contabo Windows server. Okay, so can you see this is my cursor, right? And there is my dot available and then there is a cursor. So there is a mismatch. If I move this one, the dot is not moving, and if I do this, then cursor is going on right side and dot is coming on left side. If I swing to the right, it is going away and away. Okay, so there is a like really big mismatch. Okay, and because of this it is not easy to use this particular server. Okay, so how exactly we can fix that? First of all, there is clarification, it cannot be fixed, and what I'm going to give you solution is set up the new service. So that's what we are going to do here. We are going to set up better and new service which is easy to access, easy to work with, and easy to set up. So that's what we are going to use instead of this VNC connection. So for that, what you need to do is you need to open your Chrome browser on your computer. Okay, so in my case I have Chrome browser ready. This is my host computer. Okay, here I have Chrome browser ready. Here you need to type Chrome remote desktop. Okay, you need to type Chrome remote desktop. It will open this website remotedesktop.google.chrome. Open that particular website and it will show something like this. Okay, in my case I have few hosts added, so let me just delete those hosts. So this is how it will look like. You need to pin this. Okay, you need to bookmark this and pin this somewhere, because this is where you are going to access your server. So very first thing you need to do is you need to click on the setup view SSH. Okay, click here and click on the begin, and here you will see for Windows you need to open this particular URL. But if I even copy this particular URL and if I go to the my, let's say this VPS, I will be unable to paste that. Can you see? If I go here and right click, not working. So Control V, and I am unable to paste that particular URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this Windows little bit smaller and I'm going to type it manually. Okay, so let me open the Chrome Edge, and here I will type that particular URL, https colon dl.google.com. So I'll say dl.google.com slash, then I will say edgedl, and obviously Chrome remote desktop, Chrome remote desktop slash Chrome CHROME remote desktop host.msi. I think that's the right one. And once you do that, it will download one file like this. Okay, you need to click on that particular file, and once you do that you need to click on the yes. Okay, and that should install that particular binary on the host. Okay, now once that is done, you need to go back to our Chrome browser, click on the next, click on the authorize, and it will give you one URL for the Windows. Okay, this is the long string for Windows it will give. Click on the copy to clipboard. But the problem is we are unable to copy the anything from the local host to the VNC. How exactly we can share that? So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one a thing here which is called temp mail. Okay, so temp mail is going to open right here, and inside the temp mail I'm going to send that. Okay, so I'll go here, I will open my Gmail account right here. Okay, something like this. I will click right here on compose, and that should open my compose window where I can type the emails. How can I make it full screen? Yeah, okay, so here I will use this particular address from the my VPS, which is SOKIKOM 936 at roastic.com. I will say link. Sorry, I'll go to the new tab right here. I don't know who is this. I'll say link and I will paste that particular whatever I have copied from here. Okay, so once I do that, I need to click on the send, and that should send right here. Okay, so we got the email. So let me click on that particular email, and we got this text also. So I will just copy whole text. Okay, not whole text, the only text that I have sent. Okay, there is a mismatch of the cursor, that's why I am unable to copy it properly. So I'll start from the top and I will finish right here. Okay, I will right click and I will say copy, or I will simply do Control C. That also works. Okay, that's a little bit tricky because there is a mismatch of the mouse. Okay, so once you copy, what you need to do is you need to go here, you need to type CMD and enter, and here you need to paste it. By clicking on the right click, you will be able to paste it. Hit enter button, it will show something like this, say yes, and here it will ask for the 6-digit pin. Okay, so I will enter any 6 digits, so I will say 654321. Okay, and 654321. Okay, done. Now our job here is done. Literally our job here is done. So what I will do, I will hit enter one more time and I will open this Chrome browser of mine and I will go to this particular setup. Now this work is here done, so I will go to the remote desktop access and here you will see my VPS has come. So I'll click here and it will ask for the pin to log in. Okay, so I'll say 645321. That's the pin I have set. I will click on the remember me because usually I forgot the pins. And once I do that, we will have yes access to the our this notification will go away in few minutes. Okay, so this is how you will have access to the Chrome RDB. Now already we have access here also. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just close that particular access completely. I will delete this RVNC or real VNC, and this is how we basically have the access. Now you will see that there is no mismatch, like I can go here and there and it is working absolutely fine. Fantastic. Okay, so yeah, this is how you fix the issue. Also there is one more thing comes with this particular RDB thing, that we can copy paste text now. Okay, so if I go here and I type something and I will copy this. Okay, I will copy this and go here and I will type it here. Can you see it is working? When I do paste, it is working. Okay, when I do paste, it is working. Not only that, we can download and upload files also. So if I go here, it shows option to files. Where is that? Okay, yes, here. Upload files and download files. Okay, these two options are available. Upload files, I can choose any file, something like this, and upload that and it will appear on the desktop. Can you see VNC viewer is appearing on the desktop? Yeah, download files also work the same way. Right now I don't have much files on the VPS because this is newly created VPS, so I will be not demonstrating how to download the files, but you got the idea. You got upload files and download files, both options are available there. Okay, so yeah, that's all in this video. If you like it, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.